Hello everyone, I welcome you to DTC Official GH, your number one channel for all forms of business, personal development, and technology content. I have with me here the CEO of Kutana Pay, which is a fintech company within the African ecosystem, which is supporting SMEs, help them trade on within the continental market and the world market as well through exports and making sure that payments is streamlined in the simplest form. So sir, you're welcome to DTC Official GH.
Thank you very much. It's good to talk to you.
We are grateful. Can you please tell us a bit about yourself and your company?
Yes. So, hello everyone. My name is Nick Murphy. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Kutana Pay. As a company, we've been running for 1 year, but our relationship, or my personal relationship with Ghana and with Africa goes way beyond that to 8 years ago when I was working on a project in Kumasi for 3 months, living and working in Ghana with small and medium-sized businesses. That's where I met my co-founder for our first company, which was Startup Lounge Africa, which was a management consulting firm focused on supporting European companies and African companies explore opportunities across continents. And through that experience, we've seen that there was a huge issue with payments, particularly Africa to Europe. Okay, so the feedback we get is that it's a bit easier to get money from Europe to Africa, although it still has its challenges. But Africa to Europe is even more challenging in many ways, and it's expensive to do. And there's lots of issues with trading across borders in Africa in general. When you think of intercontinental trade. So an example of this is if you're a Ghanaian company, a small medium-sized company, and you send money to Kenya because you want to buy, some containers of products that you think could sell in Ghana. If that Kenyan company doesn't send the products, what are you going to do? You can't go and how are you going to go and sue a company in a country that you don't understand? So there needs to be safety and security in the payment system as well, and solutions like secure payments, escrow products, etc. can really help solve some of these challenges, and that's what we're trying to do at Kutana Pay.
At Kutana Pay, as I told you, it's wonderful to hear that they are solving one of the challenges that I have personally spoken about in a long while, that at least I believe there should be a fintech platform that connects African countries intercontinentally, making sure that payments between two African countries do not go through any hassles. That should be a freeway journey. Um, since you are a bit into the financial sector, I would like to delve a bit in that sector. If you compare the Western fintech, the Western financial sector, to the African, or let me say Ghana, the financial sector within the continent, what do you think the continent is lacking that do not allow us to meet the level which European countries can be able to trade among themselves as easy as possible?
Yeah, I mean, when it comes to financial services in general, that one of the biggest players, and people don't often realize this, it's not the technology, it's not the people. Investment could be, a topic of discussion, but the regulator plays a massive role.
The regulators.
And the ecosystem. A supportive regulator who is willing to support startups in testing new ideas and trying to solve some of the problems, which the regulator is very aware of. Um, that's really important. You see that in the UK, for example, with the FCA. They're very responsive and very willing to help. They have sandboxes. We do have sandboxes here in Ghana as well, regulatory sandboxes, which means you don't need a license to test things out. The regulator will give you a sort of blanket license to go and they innovate. So more support from the regulators, more programs to encourage innovation would be great. As I said, there is stuff here already in Ghana, but what we see, there's maybe more of a structure around it, more resources are put towards those types of programs in the UK and the West, for example.
Oh, okay. So, as he said, the regulators play a very key role, as in building the financial sector of the continent. Is not the innovation, is not the IT companies or whatever, but most of the works, it hinges on the regulators. In delving in, what do you think are the projections of the African continent in terms of financial facilities like yours?
Yeah, so some fun facts that we know. So intercontinental trade in Africa is at the moment is low, 14%, which Peter from Assets just spoke about there. If you compare that to Europe, it's 69%. So that's part of the problem that we are trying to solve here. And Africa's population is about to double, which means the number of consumers is going to double. It's going to be a very young population who we know are very entrepreneurial. They're going to be starting lots of businesses and solving lots of other challenges that are faced across the continent. But this is the thing, the population is going to double, but the economy is expected to 10x by 2050. So the economy is something around what 3 billion mark, 3 trillion, sorry, at the moment, and that's expected to rise to just under 30 trillion by 2050. And that is a lot of trade flow. There's a lot of money going to be involved. Add on to the fact that a huge percentage of African individuals and businesses still are not banked. They're unbanked. They don't have access to the formal financial system, and all those people will come in the formal financial system as well, and they will need services, cross-border payment services when it comes to the businesses as well. And we want to promote trade, so the easier we can make cross-border payments, the safer we can make it, so there's less fraud, the better it will be for everyone.
All right, so as he said, the projection is quite huge. In 2050, the population of Africa is going to be 10 times, and this proves that the potential of Africa is still in its early stage, since we've seen that there is going to be a 10x population growth. This brings in
2x population growth,
2x, yes.
10x economic growth. Just yeah.
All right, so 2x population growth and 10x economic growth. This means that we have the potential to tap in from a wide range of untapped ecosystem within the African continental economic sector. If you are an entrepreneur, if you're anybody watching this video and you are thinking of somewhere to make your investments, I think the right time is now, and the right place is Africa. Thank you so much. Where can we reach out
Thank
to you, Kutana Pay, if somebody is watching and want to reach out to Kutana Pay?
Yeah, you can find me on LinkedIn. My name is Nick Murphy, or you can find us on Kutana Pay. Just Google it. It's the first website that will come up, and you can contact us from there.
All right. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
So this has been DTC Official GH, your number one channel for business, tech, and personal development. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I want to know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you.